minutes. All right. Okay. Good. I think I've seen it. So let me share my screen now. Am I still audible, please?
Yes, you have.
Good. All right. So this is what my daily choice stands for. My daily choice is a big marketplace participating in billion dollars industries. Talk of skincare, personal care, CBD, wellness, weight loss, energy, forex, and crypto, travel, beauty. This is what my daily choice stands for. But for the purpose of tonight's session, we want to focus on this forex aspect of my daily choice called Akashx. So, all right. So, because of that, I would like to show you what Akashx stand for. What Akashx stand for. Akashx is a forex and crypto academy. Akashx is a forex and crypto academy. So if you're on this call this evening, you are cryptocurrency lovers, you are welcome to this session. If you are forex trading lovers, you're welcome to this session. And if you love to participate in the two markets, both forex and crypto, you are all welcome because this is where I can call island of forex and crypto markets. Yeah, island of forex and crypto markets. So it's an academy with more than 27 educators. So let's start to check on these educators. You can see we have Brembada, Joelarians. So all these are advanced traders. Advanced traders. They are not beginners. They are not intermediate traders, but they are advanced traders. Imagine a trader that have made over $500,000 in profit in forex and crypto trading in 1 year. So these are our educators. So these are the people that will take you step by step to the journey of forex and crypto markets, even stock markets, for you to have better understanding of what forex and crypto stand for. And at the same time, as if it ends there. But before I proceed, I always love to let people know the value you are paying for. Actually, you have known that you're going to pay for this academy, but I tell you that this academy and the payments you are paying the academy, the payment you are paying is nothing compared to the value you are getting from this academy. Imagine these grades and big names in forex and crypto trading. If you want to learn from just one of them, you are not going to spend. If you want to be dealing with you cannot spend less than $100. Now imagine these people are collecting $100 from you per month, meaning that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So meaning that you are not going to be paying less than $100 in 25 places. You know what I mean? For to learn from these people. But you know that for you to learn from all these educators you are seeing here, you are paying just $149 per month, and you're going to pay a membership fee of $30, making $179. That's what covers for to learn from all these people. But as if it ended, they still want you to get more value for your $149. You know what they do? They still provide some other tools and services for you. And what is one of those tools they provide for you? It is what we call tap to trade. This tap to trade is an artificial intelligence auto copy trading. A kind of trading where you're just going to receive notification on your phone. Once you receive notification that Journarians want to trade, you will see approve button where you can connect with Journarians, which happens to be one of the educator. You can connect with him, and once you connect with him, then whatever he does in his end will be happening in your own trade where you have your own fund. Wow, that is amazing. All you just need to click approve. You are not the one that will monitor trade. You don't need to have sleepless nights. You don't need to analyze markets. You don't need to be less busy. You don't need to have knowledge of crypto. You don't need to know jack about trading. Just stamp and approve, and the experts will be monitoring the trade for you. This is not robots, but it's a human being. These advanced traders, they are the one trading. You just tap into their trade, and whatever they do will be happening to you. So that is tap to trade for you. You can see it there. We have it here 5 hours ago, 5 hours ago, like that, like that. Make it number two. Don't forget about the advanced traders. I mean, the advanced traders that want to be educating you on forex and crypto markets. And number two, you have tap to trade technology on top of standard same your $149. Okay, as if it's end there, they still have a section called Forex Alert. This Forex Alert is a section where they will be giving you a manual aspect of signals. This one is not auto copy trading, but this one is manual that you can just copy and paste. You can see entry price, copy, stop loss, copy, take profit, copy, and go and paste. As you can see, this one, this particular signals match take profit one, take profit two, up to take profit four. So that is how accuracy our signal are. So and we have them, we have all these educators as they are teaching you, they are still giving you signals. As if it's end there, they still have a section for special section for uh special section for crypto alerts. For if you are crypto lovers, you can pick our signals to go and trade on your crypto exchanges like Binance, Bybit, BitGet, Next, and all that, CoinW, and all those crypto exchanges, because you can see that this is USDT pair. USDT pair. If you want to subscribe to cryptocurrency signal only, you cannot be paying less than $100 per month from one signal provider. But you can see 25 educators are giving you signals on cryptocurrency. Then 25 educators are giving you signals on forex only. So you can see what this really means for you. Then another thing is that you can see that we make it number 3, right? Education from 25 educators, tap to trade to forex alert 3 and crypto alert 4. Okay. Then the next one now is what we call live session. As you can see, they will not limit their academy into recording only. They are still going to you are going to be joining their live every time, every day. Today sessions, Saturday session, Monday session, Tuesday session, Wednesday, Thursday, like that, like that. That's why we used to have these people to bless us with their knowledge. All right. Then there's one particular tool also I'm going to show you now. We call it scanner. We call it market scanner, artificial intelligence market scanner. All right. So this particular scanner is a kind of artificial intelligence scanner they have used. They put many indicators together to teach you people how to be independent in market. So we have, you can see those scanners here. We have gold range scanner, we have gold scanner, we have early sniper scanners, we have breakout momentum, and many other scanners in the markets. As you can see, breakout momentum, pivot point scanner, reversal scanner, smart card scanner. All these scanners alone, for those of you that love to trade crude oil, so because somebody was telling me today that one of the things why I don't do Akashx is because they only focus on forex and crypto, that they don't trade crude oil. And I tell the person that, do you know that we are trading crude oil in Akashx? Yes, we trade crude oil and we trade stock and many other markets. With the help of this our scanner, you can trade crude oil successfully. You can trade all other everything called financial markets. You can trade it with the help of this our scanner. They will analyze all these markets for you. And we also have community where you can join on Telegram, where you can enjoy, a global interaction with global traders and all our educators, and many more, and many more. But imagine what I've been saying all this while, all these services and value, all with just $149. All goes with what? By just $21.49. Plus, for the first time, you pay $30 subscription fee, membership fee, make it $179. Then subsequently, you are paying $149 for this service. But mind you, if you love this service and you want to learn or enjoy the tap to trade forex alerts, crypto alerts, live session, scanners, you want to enjoy these services for a whole 1 year, they're going to give you discounts. Instead of you paying $149 for 1 year every month, then you pay just $1,000 and you are good to go. But mind you, if they are joining from Africa, it is $1,000 annual subscription. $1,000 annual subscription. But if you are joining from anywhere outside Africa, it's good. It is $1,500 annual subscription. African continent and Latin America, $1,000. Anything outside that, $1,500 is the price for the academy of 1 year. You can see all this thing alone is more than the money you are paying for your academy. And I think it's supposed to end there. But as if it ended, it does not end there. They still say if you join us or you subscribe to this academy for 1 month subscription, you have all these benefits, all these services, but at the same time, They are still going to help you to secure $10,000 trading capital. $10,000 trading capital as monthly subscriber, academy subscriber, $10,000. Then if you subscribe for yearly subscription, they will help you to get $200,000. $200,000. What will you do with this money? Make use of the knowledge you are giving to you. If you don't have time to learn, make use of this time to trade and just be approving your trade and be trading with this money. So once you are trading with this money, the first 10% you make, the first 5% you make it 15% in total. Is not, you are not going to share from this profits. But from the subsequent profits you are making, you are going to be taking 80% of the profits, you'll be taking 20%. As if it's like they establish you. They try to establish you. Okay. So this is the right place where you need to be. I'm trying to summarize the whole thing because we have a lot to do on this call tonight. So that is what Akashx stands for. And that's why I call Akashx Ponzi killer. You cannot have this kind of legit platform and you are still running after Ponzi. Meaning that you still want to continue to lose your earned money. No wonder they say any mistake repeatedly made is no more a mistake, it's an intention. If you have Akashx and you are not ready to take advantage of this kind of opportunity to learn, to also have this kind of capital to trade, to make use of our tap to trade, and you are still running after ROI platforms, Ponzi scheme platform, you are on your own. Sorry to say. So, but just let you, I just want you to know that the era of giving money to anybody to trade for you and sleep and be expecting ROI return is gone and gone forever. The era of giving our money to people that will go away or run away with our money is gone. Akashx has come to revive the online industry. So we have a legit platform now that have been existing for years. So it's now the time for you to take action and to take steps. Thank you for your time. Thanks for joining. Global Timmy, maybe some other things, maybe when you are asking the question or maybe after the testimonial, we're going to have those things. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Much strategy. The only strategic man we have in my daily choice. Now, do we have Mr. Stanley? I was calling him Kingsley all along. Do we have Mr. Stanley on the call now? Please, can someone confirm? Mama, can you confirm if Mr. Stanley is on the call? Mr. Daramola?
Yeah, I've tried to call Jimama. She's not picking. Drop message for her also.
Or you can just take it up from there to show us one or two things about your account.
Sorry, he's not yet here. Just give him a few minutes.
It's okay.
All right.
So, yeah, thank you so much for that wonderful presentation, Mr. Mosh. And it's just so amazing. Many people that don't know how to trade Forex, just like me, and we are coming into Akashx. Akashx make it simpler and easier for us, and we are able to start making withdrawals. So if you're like me and you're on Akashx already, and you are taking the trades, you're taking tap to trade, you're able to win, take trades that you will have taken, it will have taken you like maybe 3 years, 5 years before you can start making profit. But if Akashx is already working for you right now, you're on this call, please just drop one in the chat. I'll go ahead and show my screen so that we can see exactly what this company is doing for all of us. So let me just go right here. Okay, so I'm not seeing the charts. Are we dropping those one there? Okay, please drop one in the chat if you have been taking tab to trade. You'll be taking trades from Arabella, from Joy Arias, and you also take from Gustavo Alanis, all those different traders. Please drop one in the chat. Thank you so much. I can see. Thank you. Okay, so I will go right here and go to my account. So like Mr. Mosh already showed us, all they do is they will just send us signals. So if I just go right here for people that have not seen that already. So let me just go to one of our digital products is Akashx. So if I click that, it's going to load up.
Please, we can't see your screen. I can't see your screen. Are you sharing? I can't see.
On, Mr. Chidebere. The screen is on. Is your network?
Okay,
You might not even scroll to where you can see the screen. You have to scroll to where you can see the screen, sir.
So let me just go right here. I decided to connect a smaller account, but I'll go to the account itself and show us. So by the time you click on tap to trade, if you go to tap to trade, you will see these are experts. They will send us signal and there will be an approve button. For those of us that were on the call yesterday, with the country manager, I picked a trade from Joe Arias, and it was just amazing. This is an example of gold. You can see all the trade, the type of trade they have sent to us today. This expert is the one that will manage the trade for you. So if you have taken these trades today, by now you should have a couple of results for yourself. So if I just come right here to my account and I show you, let it come up, I will show you the trades I took today because of Akashx. Today now I've made over $4,000 on my 200k. I had a drawdown, so but I made a profit of 4,000 US dollar today on that 200k account in my phase two. In phase two. So the reason is because if I click here now, let me just click here. So they will give you 200k. They will say in phase one, make 20,000, make 10%. So if you can make 10%, you can see gold is still on. Gold is still on right now. It's going to close in the next, let's see when market will close. It's going to close in the next 1 hour 24 minutes for the week. It will reopen again on Monday. So here you have to make 10%. So the 10% of 200k is 20,000 US dollars. So these are the trades I've taken on this account. This is my phase one. I've already passed phase one. I'm in phase two, and we're gonna pass that phase two. It's just few time. We're not in a hurry. If I didn't take any trade yesterday, maybe I took just one trade yesterday, but you can see this is my phase one, and the total profit made on that account. If I just click here and I say summary total overall profit that was made, it will load up here. So you can see total is here, and the added fees. That is why you are seeing up to 24. So but now I'm on my phase two. So I've passed this phase one, I'm in phase two. So in phase two, I'll be funded and I'll start making withdrawal from the 200k. So if I see all, you can see that I have a negative, but if I say today and I show you, so this is a place nobody will tell you that there are not, sometimes there are some losses. But if you can follow some experts, that your losses can actually be small and your win can be big. That's going to be awesome. Imagine if you have a win of 200, 284, 46, a negative of 348, you see? And then you have a plus of 504, a plus of 3,261. That's massive.
Hello.
So
You're not sharing the screen. You're only sharing your Akashx screen.
Your screen is
it's
not
not the
displaying,
it's
sir.
not the entire screen. Oh my goodness. Let me share again. Let me share again. Thanks so much for that, sir. God bless you. So it's because I didn't share the entire window. Let me do that again. Oh, thank you. That was a very, very wonderful call right there. Okay, so this is my account. This is profit that was made today on my phase two. So you can see right there. And if I go here, I was showing us, they will give you phase one. After you pass phase one, you move to phase two. So this is my phase one. This is my phase one, and you can see the total profit that was made on that phase one is I was able to make. Can you see my balance? So my balance right here, you can see on top is 220,000. So that means I've made $20,000 on this account. So that is what they will tell you. Make 10% and you have passed phase one. That means you have shown us that you can really handle and manage our money that we're going to give you. So because they don't want to give people money and they will go and lose it. But what is helping us to win on Akashx is the expert that I mentioned. So this expert on Akashx, they are the reason why we are winning. Let me tell you, there are people that are better than us, that understand the forex market than us, but they don't make the money we are making. So it's not that we are smarter than those people. It's because there are experts, people that know how to make millions and millions of dollars trading in the financial market. So these are the people that are helping us, to be able to win. And when they send us signal, we just take it. So we just take it when they send us signal. I was saying that gold is still on right now. I didn't know that my screen was not showing. You can see that gold is still on, and it's remaining just 1 hour 20 minutes for it to close for the week. So that is once we pass phase one and phase two, you start making withdrawals. So in phase 2, all I have to do is to make 10%. So let me show us, for some people that don't know that you can withdraw. Some people are like, is it possible to withdraw? So let me show you. So we have been able to make withdrawals from this. Many other people have been able to make withdrawals. So, but we are in Nigeria. We are in a place whereby, people don't want to show other people that they are making big or good money, because they are afraid maybe someone is going to come after them. So let me just go to my funded account. Payout is, have I changed my, I think my language changed. Challenge navigation rules. So let me go to payout. Okay, so this is the payout that I've already received on the 50k. So I was using a 50k account before. You can see withdrawals. So when you are making withdrawals, you can see here the withdrawals I've made already from this account. But I decided to go for the 200k because I believe that with the 200k, the withdrawals you can make on 200k is not compared to the withdrawals you can make on 50k, because 50k just give you higher leverage. 1% withdrawal you make on 50k, 1% is like 500, right? 1% of 50,000 is, am I correct? It's 500. Yes, 500. But 1% of 200k is 2,000. So you can be making 1% and I'm making 1%, but what we are earning is different. For example, let me show you people right now, the highest profitable traders on the Akashx, that are using the challenge account that we're using right now. So these are people right now, the most profitable person right now. You can see this person has a 10k account and he has made 2,000. He has made 26% on the 10k account. 26% on 10k account is 2,635. This person now can go ahead and withdraw because this person is funded. This is another person, Frederick. He is on a 200k. Let me see, maybe it's 200k. It's on a 25k account. He has only made 19%. But because he's on a 25k account, 19% is more than the 26% of 10k. So the size of your account is what determines what you can withdraw. Let me show us now. Now this person has made 15%. You can see this person has made 26%. So it's not about the percentage you have made. What is the size of your account? But this 15% now, this person is on a 200k account, and its 15% is $30,000. So you can withdraw 10,000 profits. You can withdraw 10% profit from your account. I can withdraw 10% profit from my account, but the amount is not going to be the same. If you are trading with 10,000 account and I'm trading with 200k account, the difference is just crystal clear. That's why I decided to go for 200k, and I'm so happy because a lot of people are just passing their challenge account. We were here yesterday when someone shared their result with us. So you can see Rachel Oluwabumi. I think this is one of someone in our group. I believe this is that woman. Okay, so we have different people, you see, all over the world. It's not only Nigeria. This is Oluwadamilola B. This person has a 10k account. This is definitely from Nigeria. This Kadara is not a Nigerian, you see. So you can see it's all over the world. Fatima C. I don't know. Fatima is a general name. Leon M is definitely not from Nigeria. So you can see that's just it. So what we are talking about here is how you can actually make a change in your life. And if you are here, getting started is very easy. Just get back to the person that invited you. I want to get back to them. Tell them, hey, I want to come in on the annual membership, or I want to come in on the monthly membership. It just depends on you which one that you want. But just note that if you want the 200k account, then you are going for the annual. But if you want the 10k account, you are going for the monthly. This is the first place that I will ever see that an academy that is already giving you the knowledge for you to be able to be profitable in the financial market. They also decide to say, hey, we want to do what nobody else is doing. We are going to also give you our money for you to know that the knowledge, the wisdom, the resources, the signals, and the experts we have on Akashx, they know what they are doing, and they're going to help you pass. They're going to help you make profit. We want to give you our money. Don't use your money to trade. Use our money to trade. Now, when you use our money to trade, all you need to do, we want to know if you can pass phase 1, phase 2. Make 10% in phase 1, make 5% in phase 2. And then that money is all yours for you to trade and withdraw the profit. It's not for you to take the money and start withdrawing it. No, for you to trade with the money. If it's 10,000, you trade with 10,000. If it's 200,000, you trade with 200,000. Then you can withdraw the profit, 80% of the profit. I show you my own withdrawal right now. There are many people all over the world. I don't know if Mr. Akashx was able to show that off. Today is my birthday and I was already exhausted, so I kind of was dozing off on the call where he was in the presentation. But let me just quickly go and show us people that are withdrawing from this same opportunity that we're talking about. So this is a place whereby it's not about, hey, we are making money but we cannot show you. We will show you. We will show you. Many people will just say they are making money. Once I say, you are making money, jump on call, jump on video call, come and share your screen and show me what you are making. They run away. This is not a place like that. So this is a place whereby we tell you that we are making money, and then crystal clear, you will see that we are making money. So I'm trying to see how I can hide this and move this away. But anyway, let me just go right there and show us the results that people are having right here on Akashx. So let me click on Akashx here. Click here. I want to just quickly go and show the results. Cancel. Can I move this? Okay, let me go back. Sorry, I'm trying to get my Telegram. Okay, so anyway, let me just quickly scroll through. I don't know what I can do to this one to move it away. Mr. Akashx, I know you are good with Telegram. So I want to move this thing away, this emoji, so that I can see the screen very well. But you can see right on the screen, can you see payouts? So these are payouts that people are having here on Akashx. By the time you make withdrawals, they'll be able to post it here. So there's a place whereby you'll be able to see all the different withdrawals that are being made. And let me click here. Let me click here again. TradeStar. Okay. So anyway, I'm
Under TradeStar is under
please, one person should talk.
Can you search Akashx result lab?
Okay, thank you. Okay.
or even other traders mastery under also.
Yeah, I've seen it. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. So these are people that are making withdrawals. You see, this person between February, if I say this one now, some people that are skeptic, we might think that maybe it's too big to be true. But anyway, you can see a withdrawal of $18,621 that this person has withdrawn. He has withdrawn more than that. He has withdrawn more than times 2 of that. But let me just keep it short, keep it brief, because of people that are doubters, So this is the man. Perfect. So this is what you can see in 2 months, what the man has withdrawn, in just 2 months. But he mentioned something in this video. He said that many people want to use big lot size and just win once. He said you have to be very slow, moving slowly, but be consistent without using big lot size, because you already have good signals. You'll be able to win without using big lot size, because it's all about, if you are making 500 daily, do you know that in 1 week you are going to make 2,500? In 1 month you are making 10,000 US dollars. So I don't see reason why anybody should be in a hurry if they want to make $1 million in 1 day. Please don't let us allow that greed, money hungry part of us as Nigerians, or as Africans, to take the hold of us. These are people that are making withdrawals. Even if it's every week you are withdrawing $1,000, is it not something, ladies and gentlemen? It's something. Can you see? This is March, 24th of March. People making withdrawals all over the world. We are having this. I think we have already done this. Okay, March 22nd to 23rd. Some of us join on this call. These are the experts that are sending signals to us. These are the experts. You can see all of them. These guys are good. So Akashx is a place whereby you don't need to be an expert, ladies and gentlemen. We already have it. The only reason why you can win in the financial market, I always tell people this. Who can win in the financial market? It's not the expert alone that can win. is anybody that open a trade in the direction of the market. If the market is going up and you have never traded before and you just click buy, as the market is going up, you make profit. If someone is an expert and then as the market is going up, the expert said put a position that the market that should sell. If the expert sell and the market is going up, the expert will lose money. So when you come on Akashx, people that understand the market just send to you, hey, market wants to go up. Click approve for us to manage this trade for you. Once you click approve, you don't need to know how to trade. They will be managing it, monitoring it at their end. All you will just do is that since you have click approve, you can off your phone, you can go to sleep, you can go back to work if you are at work, and you open your chart and you see that they have closed it. So that is why everybody is winning. That is why you see a lot of people winning here. Is there a risk? I've just shown you my account now. There are sometimes that a position, a trade can be negative, but there will be more time that it's going to be positive. And that is what you just saw that I share from my own personal account. I decided to use my personal account, because I believe that some people will not believe until they see. So that is why we do all of this. A lot of people are making money. They don't want to talk about it. That is the reality, But I know it's God that is protecting us. At least God see our heart that we are sharing this so that we can let other people know that there's something somewhere that can change their life and they don't need to know jack about trading because of the technology within Akashx has made it possible. So I will send it back to our coordinator tonight, Global Temi. Thanks so much for allowing me to share. Everyone on the call, I'm so proud of you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Daramola. Please, can we all just send a happy birthday on the chat to this amazing leader? By default, he's supposed to be resting because it's his day, but he still showed up here because that's what he's known for. He's always showing up regardless. Happy, happy, happy birthday. We celebrate you. We love you. Thank you for all you do for the team. We are so excited that you are our leader. And just to also let you know, if you're coming here for the first time, he is the person that actually tested the Akashx for us so that a lot of us can now have the confidence to come into Akashx. I remember the times that he would tell me, do Akashx, and I'll be like, please just rest. I don't want Akashx. I don't want to know anything about FOREX. But here we are today because he took that courage. We are here talking about Akashx. We cannot celebrate you enough. So Mr. Stanley is here as I can get. So can we get you, Mr. Stanley, on the call? Can you hear me, please, Mr. Stanley?
Yeah, I can hear you. Good evening, all.
Awesome. So welcome. That's the voice of a winner. Mr. Stanley, we celebrate you. Congratulations. We are excited to have you on this call to show to people what is possible. So I'm just going to put you on the spot to ask you some questions. I'm sure you got those questions earlier, right?
Yes, thank you very much.
All right. So you can just take it off from there.
Okay, my name is Stanley. I actually come across Akash's through a friend, which I just called to check on, and eventually she told me that something she's doing that she believes I will find interesting. So I was a kind of, man, I've tried so many, and I don't want to bore myself again with all these online business. Of course, I've been on the online space for a very long time, and I've tried so many, and I've lost so much money. But she keep telling me, I think this one is actually different. So I would want you to give it a try. I said, okay, you go ahead. Once you succeed with it, then I can queue up. That was how it all started. So if that was D&D, if I don't know if any of you know her. Before you could know it, within a short period of time, she called me and said she has passed her challenge and she's already on a live account. I said, I want to see. That was it. When I saw it, I was actually amazed. I said, of a truth, this is real. So she now told me there's a promo going on that she doesn't know if I have the resources to key into the promo. I said, how much is it? It says $999 promo to have a
Annual.
200K challenge account. I was a kind of wow. this is a dream. Just almost $1,000 to have access to 200,000. You know how much is $200,000 in naira? She was a kind of, and I said, don't you think it would be good for me to start with small, just the way you started? You say, come on, if you have the resources, go for it. Can you ever show me who has made it starting small? That was it. So I kid him. We contacted Madam Joyce, so she guided us, and I keyed into it, and today everything is history. Frankly, I took my first trade with Akashx. That was on the 19th of January,
Wow.
and it all came good. So after like 2 weeks, I was able to grow the 200K to almost 210,000
Wow.
through the guide of some you know special educators like Joel and
Yeah.
Rich Bandiga. You know,
Wow.
I was able to grow my account from 200,000 to 210,000. I say, wow. Man, if I continue with this velocity, in less than 2 weeks, I should be able to skate through with the 200, I mean, the 20K. That's phase one. You know, I being a Nigerian, and the mentality is always greed. I felt, man, let me speed up. I started opening multiple positions. Once I take the tap to trade, I equally open my own positions. So,
Don't do that.
I mean, I have to burn my fingers.
Mm.
So I learned from that. From 212,500, I was crushed to 197,000. I was discouraged. I was frustrated, and you know, I pick up my pieces again and start. Since I'm still in the game, fine. I believe giving up is not an option. I continued. So that was it. I moved up again, and level up to 200,000. From there, I grew the account again with the aid of uh, Geo. And there's one thing I believe: following multiple educators doesn't help. I think it will be
No.
ideal stick with one.
Yes.
It will be ideal stick with one. I've never seen any educator that called trades from beginning of the week to the end of week and ended up in negative. So of course, of course, there might be some losing trade, but at the end of the day, they will end up in positive. Very, very essential. But when you have them multiple, you understand, is very discouraging. You might end up, losing the money you've made from so trader to another educator.
Yeah.
So I think it would be ideal sticking to one and flow with that.
Yeah.
So that was how I decided to stick with Geo. Eventually, I grew my 200K again back to 215,500. So what I was now looking at is how many percent that is left for me to hit my 20K. I will say bye bye to phase one. The greed settled in again. That was it. I don't know how it happened, but I crashed down to 200,000 again. So, and I said, no, if I really want to succeed with this, I have to stay focused. 200K trading account is not something to joke with.
No.
I purge that spirit of greed in me. I settled down. I now continued with, Joe. I take his tap to trade, and equally I do my own analysis and take one position. I don't open multiple position again. So, at the end of the day, I keep growing the account from little to little. Every kobo is every cent makes sense. So that was it. Within February ending to 17th March, I was able to scale through with my phase one. That was it. You know, it was just like a dream. I got my credentials and continued with phase two. Phase two, in less than 2 weeks, I blasted phase two. So if if you are joking with Akashx, then you just have to be serious. Stay
Yeah.
focused. Stay focused. This is indeed a blessing to Africa, especially Nigerians, that our economy is down. Everybody is struggling to make ends meet. So I can't wait to go live. Of a truth, you can imagine pulling out. Let me just say, in average, $5,000. I don't want to say 10,000. $5,000 in average in a month, multiplied by 1,500 exchange rates. You know how much that means. So I'm so happy. I'm so excited. And if you are here, you are looking out for somebody to push you. I mean, you are just wasting your time. Push yourself. Advise yourself. You need to come in here. Even if you don't have knowledge of forex, you understand. Stick to tap to trade. Stick with one educator. I'm telling you, at the end of the day, you will have, every reason to be grateful. That's just it. I must say thank you to Akashx FX, and thank you to Madam Joy and D&D who actually brought me to this. I cannot, end up this testimony without appreciating the effort you people put in to my success. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Some fire for this latest 100 million. Can we just put some fire emoji to celebrate? I want to ask you something. Sir Stanley, I don't know why I keep calling you King.
Go ahead.
Are you Igbo?
Yeah, I'm an Igbo guy.
Okay, I can imagine when you start open multiple position because now man, all the fast. No time for wasting just these positions. So, but I'm glad that you learned the process, and I'm excited that you your your losses and your testimony, so that somebody that is here that thinks that they can just do it anyhow. It doesn't work in Akash's. You have to follow a procedure, and he has captured that. I was talking to somebody earlier today, and the person felt $200,000 is impossible to be given to trade. You have heard it from somebody that has passed, somebody that is about to start withdrawing from that same 200K, and tracking. So with this that has happened to you, just this first quarter of the year, what do you think your 2025 will be like? Inspire us,
You can imagine that.
prepare us. What do you think? Give us an example. December.
Sorry?
Like, what do you think your 2025 will be?
I didn't get that, sorry.
I said, with what you have gotten, what do you see your financial five?
When Akash said that you are locked in with your 2025, I never knew what it means. Not until now that I'm through with this challenge. Of course, my 2025, I don't know. In fact, I see myself in the next realm financially. I see myself in the next realm financially. Of the truth, my
Awesome.
2025 is going to end. Is going to end sweet. I mean, having equity of 200,000 to trade with, you can imagine that. That is over 300 million.
Yeah.
You understand? So, man, I don't just have to joke with it. I don't just have to joke.
Thank you so much for coming on here to inspire us, and we celebrate you. And we just like to tell you, please trade with caution. Do that 200K like your life depends on it.
With
Do it
it.
like a loan.
I see
Collect.
myself. I see myself in a realm financially.
It
Yeah.
is absolutely. Just know that this is like a loan. You cannot lose it. So the only thing that is allowed is
Of course.
something above, nothing below, nothing blowing away. Definitely, we'll be here to celebrate you still. Thank you so much. I don't know. We're gonna go to questions now. For those of you that are here for the first time, if you have questions, you can just raise your hand. Let's take questions now. You've heard it from a winner. You heard it from someone that took advantage of the information, just like you are hearing on this call this night. He believed, he went ahead to put his money into it, and in a space of 2 months, if not less than, he's sitting on a $200,000 trading capital. Guys, if you're here and you have a question, I can see a Kingsley raising his hand.